Good morning, guys. This is the day 2, and last night after reaching here, which we reached around 10, so we had a lot of discussion if we should be going or if we should not, because what happened is the localites, so at Narsi Patnam, which is the town just before this, which is around 35 kilometers, they were trying to scare us out by saying, hey, it is too difficult, it's a ghat road, don't travel in the night, stay back here and then go in the morning. It wouldn't make sense if it's just 35 kilometers, and so we came out anyway. So we slept around 12:30, 1, and we got up by 9 and we started getting ready, whatnot, and it is 11:40, like 12 o'clock right now. We're about to go out, have some breakfast, go to a viewpoint, and in the meantime, this is how it looks. This is the place, and that's the room I'm staying in. So it costed 1,300 and some 750 something for food, so total of 2050 or something, the total bill. So that's about it, which is like fairly nice. You got a geyser, toiletries and towels and whatnot, so that's about it. But the room looks nice. Let's have a look. Since this place is almost empty, I thought why not get into a new one just to see. Looks like this. Decent. You get a geyser and shower. That's it. But as you can see, my jacket, my boots, everything are lying on each of the light posts, getting dried up. Everything got drenched. We were completely drenched for around 11 to 12 good hours, 13 hours. So that's how the ride was. So today is the day 2 and we begin the ride from Lambasingi. We just checked out. Looks amazing. We had a little sunrise in the day. So apparently since the last 7 days there was no sun being spotted in this. Like it is going to rain today as well. Let's see how lucky we are and how far we are going to get without getting drenched. So we had lunch at a different place. The food was amazing. It was like home cooked food. We had dal and my friend had chicken curry, and he was telling the chicken was just tender and very soft and delicious. Okay, a bit of work going on here. Right now I think it's around 115 odd kilometers to Araku, and there's another route actually, but I was told that it is a little long, but I was told this goes through complete forest region and then the views are good. The other road is a little risky this time because of continuous rainfall. So that's that. Everything, I was told that there was a car which was almost about to slip and fall through the valley because of the slipperiness, and it couldn't get the traction. So I told, why not go through the safer road. I think this is around 1000 meters above the sea level, Lambasingi. By the time I got up, the viewpoint is just like any other ordinary view. So basically, if I went at the right time, there was clouds, there was mist which would be going below my feet, and it will be completely covered, and it will be like we are walking over the skies, and that's a good view which I missed, sadly. But if you're planning winters, December, October, September, that's the time which starts actually to come here. I've come in the off season, so that's why everything was very cheap for me. It costed just 1300 for the room, but the same room would cost around 3500 when you come in the season. So make plans before and make bookings. The mountains behind mountains, and there are mountains behind them. It's very apparent I'm going to get drenched very soon. Very soon. We are approaching the clouds once again. I think for the next 10, 15, 20 kilometers the roads are going to be a little easy, and once we cross that mark, there will be a little twisties. So last night as well, when I was coming here for the 10 kilometers, there were hard turns, like hairpin twisties. So currently we are clocking 450 kilometers. So right now I think we are crossing mountains going from one to another. I don't know how much it can capture because I'm wearing a chest mount, unlike a chin mount. So now there will be a guard section. Once I cross the guard section, I heard there is a waterfall. Let's see.
So guys, something crazy, something stupid just happened. My amazing friend, I gave him my AirPods, the Sony Bluetooth earphones, and the great person has forgot them in the room after checkout. Since I gave it to him, I never bothered. I just asked him after crossing 35 or 40 odd kilometers if he still had him. So he didn't. I ended up calling the hotel and they did. So I am now heading back. I still have around 13 kilometers to go. So my only aim is to go ASAP and come back because we started at 3:30 and right now the time is 4:30. My plan was to cover at least 2 to 3 waterfalls on the way, but here we are. I'm still around 12 odd kilometers away. The roads aren't that good as well for me to go. So what I have done is I asked him to stay back along with my backpack because at least I can then go fast and come back. Whoa. Hello.
So we just dropped the bike and all the luggage over there. Sure. Now this is a small walk because the road is still being made. So they are telling that the waterfall is nice to see, but we are a little late as usual, following the tradition. Nevertheless, we made it. He's the guy responsible.
Sure. So the entry into the waterfall goes from there, and we've got this can walk up there, you can go a little here. And I think there is a way to go all the way down because I can see some more building once it gets on to the other side of the
I don't know how long it takes. It shows 2 good hours for 75 kilometers. It's getting dark very soon. That's how our first day went. We had breakfast and no, we had brunch. We skipped our breakfast and we had lunch at a very good place. And then we went a little sightseeing. Tomorrow we are planning to get up soon. Let us see if that works out. So the plans are always mighty. So once we get up, the plan is to head to a sunrise viewpoint over there. So thank you guys, thank you so much for tuning in today. It has been an amazing ride. It has been excellent. The views were perfect. Some were like beyond my expectations. The roads were amazing. See you in the next one. Stay tuned for part 3. We'll be going to Araku. I'll be posting it soon.